Welcome to the Salamonie Reservoir. The importance of the Salamonie Reservoir is flood control.
If you look at the waters now, the water is still at winter pool, which is 25 feet less than summer pool.
Zebra mussels are an invasive species you can look for here at the reservoir.
Zebra mussels are freshwater mussels. They came from southern Russia. They have a striped pattern on their shell. They also have a D-shaped shell. They live for 4 to 5 years. Their predators are crayfish, which is also located in our reservoir. They can clean and clear the water.
Another reason why you should look out for zebra mussels is that the sharp point on their shell can cut you.
If you plan on boating at the reservoir, make sure you clean off your boat because the zebra mussels could stick to it.
From the picture above, you probably noticed this plant, garlic mustard, is not harming anything. The issue is that it is not native to Indiana, which means that it is invading species for native species that are supposed to be here.
Other species you could look for in the lake are carp and crappie, largemouth bass, and channel cats.
When you are walking on the trails, look for all the different types of trees, including the tulip tree, which is our state tree.
We ask that you leave all of our plants or anything you may find at the reservoir. It's their home. Thank you. On your nature walk, you will see many trees. Our reservoir is so lucky to have the amount of trees we do. At other reservoirs here in Indiana, forest cutting is becoming a problem for wildlife. Forest cutting still occurs here at our reservoir, just not excessively. All cutting is made before April 15th. There are certain circumstances for cutting down trees. In some circumstances, trees are cut down because there is too many and there needs to be less trees for species in the environment.
Here at the Salamonie Reservoir, we have a bald eagle watching site. This site is located where the bald eagle's nests have been made. The Eagle Reintroduction Program here at the Salamonie Reservoir started in 1985 through 1989. This program meant the eagles were placed in the Salamonie Reservoir for them to reproduce and no longer be endangered species list. This program worked. We are happy to see the program worked and we can see these beautiful birds here at the reservoir today.
The common water cycle is a continuous cycle that is always going on. I'm sure you are familiar with this cycle because it is probably the first cycle of nature you ever learned. The first thing that happens is condensation, which is when it rains. Then it becomes precipitation, then it collects in the waters, and then it evaporates up into the sun.
Thank you for visiting the Salamonie Reservoir. We hope you enjoyed your time here. We hope to see you soon.